Hello everyone, today I will show you how to check Twitch password, and here's how it is done. If you are on Twitch and can't remember your password, I am going to guide you through the steps to retrieve it without needing to reset it. If you are already logged in into the Twitch app, you have a few options. To start, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner, then select Settings at the very bottom. Midway down, you'll find Security and Privacy, so go ahead and tap on that. Right under Phone Number, you will see Password. Tap on it, and if you have your password saved on your phone, it will autofill for you. If you're using an Android device or Google Chrome, you can check your saved passwords there too. Open Google Chrome, tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner, and select Password Manager. From there, you should be able to find your Twitch password as well. If you still can't find it after checking all these places, you'll need to go through the Forgot Password process. They will send you a code via text or email that you can use to reset your password. That is everything you need to know about how to check Twitch password. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.